Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Vapor Tabs is probably one of the most convenient and effective ways to transform your daily shower into an aromatic and therapeutic experience, offering relief from congestion, promoting relaxation, and adding a touch of luxury to your routine without the mess or fuss of traditional aromatherapy methods. Today, we will explore what makes a great vapor tab, helping you choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Number 5. Cleverfy Shower Steamers. Transform your daily shower into a luxurious spa experience. These aromatherapy shower steamers will help you relax and rejuvenate. Enjoy a variety of delightful fragrances, from calming lavender to invigorating peppermint. Each steamer offers a unique and refreshing experience. Looking for a thoughtful present? They make wonderful stocking stuffers, Christmas gifts, or birthday surprises for friends and family. Made with cruelty-free essential oils and natural fragrances, these shower steamers deliver a pleasantly strong, yet subtle aroma. Simply place one in your shower and let the aromatic steam fill the air. It's the perfect way to de-stress and start or end your day. Experience the benefits of aromatherapy from the comfort of your own home. They promote relaxation and help you feel refreshed and energized. What we like? It features 6 unique and delightful scents to match your mood. If you're looking for a thoughtful and versatile gift for various occasions, this is a perfect choice. This is great for people who enjoy aromatherapy and want to experience different scents. What people say. Great adult son little gift stocking etc. along with a shower back brush. Adult sons usually do not think to purchase something like these for themselves, but showers are usually their choice and these scents are a nice extra for their day to start anew. The ones I bought came in a round well-made container that sits easy on their bath counter. My granddaughter really enjoys these shower bombs. She used to like bath bombs, but she has now switched from baths to shower. These give her a similar experience. This box includes 6 different flavor scents. The bath steamers do exactly as what they are advertised to do. The gentle lilac smell in my shower was very relaxing as I was washing. I will definitely be buying more. I got some as stocking stuffers for the ladies in my family. Number 4. Body Restore Shower Steamers. Unwind with our aromatherapy shower steamers. They dissolve, releasing essential oils for deep relaxation and relief, making them perfect gifts for anyone. Enjoy a luxurious at-home spa experience. These long-lasting shower steamers help you restore and relax naturally, ideal for self-care or gifting. Melt away daily stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They're a thoughtful gift for teachers, parents, or new moms. These compact steamers are perfect for travel. Take relaxation on the go, great for students, graduates, or anyone who appreciates a little pampering. Show you care with a thoughtful gift. They're perfect for any occasion, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or as a unique white elephant gift. These shower steamers make a perfect gift for any occasion. Surprise your loved ones with a relaxing and aromatic experience. What we like? This one provides 15 shower steamers, ensuring a longer-lasting spa experience. If you are looking for a product that offers extended relaxation and is easy to take on trips, then this is for you. It's perfect for those who value convenience and extended aromatherapy benefits. What people say. They smell amazing. Some steamers don't have the best smells, but these do. They also last a long time in the shower and truly add to the steam experience. The scent is quite strong, so if you're sensitive to smells, I'd be mindful of that. They do dissolve pretty quickly, but they emit the eucalyptus and mint to fill not only the shower but the bathroom as a whole. The smell of each pod was absolutely soothing and filled the bathroom with a calming aroma. The steamers dissolve slowly and release just the right amount of fragrance without being overpowering. Number 3. Vicks VapoShower Plus. Looking for a thoughtful present? It's ideal for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays, or even a little self-care treat. Turn your daily shower into a relaxing spa experience. It infuses soothing vapors into the steam, creating a mini sauna. Experience the most intense, sensory experience yet with our strongest non-medicated formula. It's specially formulated for ultimate comfort. Enjoy a delightful aroma with our proprietary blend of eucalyptus and essential oils, enhanced with menthol and camphor. It's a truly invigorating scent. Simply place it on the shower floor before you start your shower. It dissolves completely, leaving no mess behind. Enjoy this anytime, whether you need an invigorating start to your day or a relaxing end to a long one. It's perfect for your daily routine. What we like. It offers strong, soothing vapors to transform your shower into a spa-like experience. If you enjoy intense aromatherapy and want a simple, mess-free way to enhance your shower routine, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a quick and effective way to relax. What people say. Simple way to add a soothing scent to your shower. The tablet left no residue, nothing to clean up after. These work great to help you breathe better because of the menthol and eucalyptus. I put them in the shower in all hot water and just breathe and relax. Love how it is non-intrusive and can be run under a shower while you breathe the steam in. Number 2. Body Restore Bath Bombs. It's infused with natural essential oils, providing relaxing nighttime support. They make perfect birthday gifts for anyone. These last longer than other shower steamers, offering a luxurious at-home spa experience. It's a must-have for anyone looking to relax naturally. Melt away daily stress with these relaxing bath bombs. They are great for teacher appreciation gifts or postpartum care. Compact and convenient, these are perfect for on-the-go relaxation. Take them to college, on vacation, or anywhere you need a moment of peace. Show your appreciation with a thoughtful gift. They're ideal for Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or any occasion. What we like. This is infused with lavender essential oils, promoting relaxation and sleep. If you're looking for a calming nighttime routine and enjoy the benefits of lavender, this is perfect for you. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel, allowing you to unwind anywhere. What people say. The scent was very strong, filled my bathroom with an aromatic atmosphere. I loved the lavender option. They're a bit pricey, but they're pretty long-lasting. They last me a few showers if I don't get them drenched during, and they smell great. Absolutely love these, and they work great, and they release oils into the water and soften skin, and the lavender takes away stress from the day. Number 1. Body Restore Shower Steamers. These aromatherapy shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils for deep relaxation. They make perfect gifts for anyone who wants to unwind and rejuvenate. It provides a longer-lasting spa experience than other shower steamers. It's a must-have for anyone looking to restore and relax naturally at home. Melt away daily stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for self-care or as thoughtful gifts for teachers, parents, or new moms. Compact and convenient, these steamers are perfect for travel. Take them with you for relaxation on the go, ideal for students or anyone who appreciates a little self-care. Show your appreciation with these thoughtful gifts. They're perfect for any occasion, from Christmas stockings to birthdays, or as a unique white elephant gift. What we like. It offers a refreshing citrus scent to uplift your mood. If you prefer a revitalizing shower experience and enjoy the invigorating aroma of citrus, this is the one for you. Its portability makes it perfect for travel, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing shower wherever you go. What people say. They smell great and give such a refreshing smell in the shower. The Energize pack is my favorite. The citrus scents give me a wake-up boost in the morning. I can usually get 2 uses out of each steamer. It fills the shower with a great aroma that lasts for the shower. Shower steamers have been a total game changer for my self-care Sundays. These little aromatic wonders are so easy to use. Just place one on the floor of the shower, and as the water hits it, it releases a soothing fragrance that transforms the entire bathroom into a mini spa. The variety of scents also adds to the relaxation. Plus, the convenience is unbeatable. They dissolve as I shower, making it such a low-maintenance yet luxurious addition to my routine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.